What if I told you that everything you've been taught about yourself, your body, your mind, your emotions, even your spirit, is a lie? What if I told you that you're not just one person but four? Four layers of reality, four dimensions of consciousness, all working together to create the life you're living right now. And what if I told you that the reason you feel stuck, drained, and disconnected isn't because you're broken? It's because you've been operating at only 25% of your true potential. Today I'm going to show you the hidden structure of your existence. A structure so powerful that once you understand it, you can reclaim your energy, control your reality, and unlock abilities you never knew you had. But I'll warn you, once you see this, you can't unsee it. You'll realize why most people are asleep, why they're trapped in illusions they don't even know exist, and why the world around you isn't what it seems. Are you ready to wake up? Let's begin. Here's the truth: you are not one body. You are four. Four layers of reality. Four dimensions of consciousness stacked like gears in a machine. And if these gears aren't working together, you'll always feel stuck, fighting invisible forces that drain you, unmotivated and disconnected from your true potential. Let's break it down. Your physical body, the vessel, the machine that moves you through this world. Your emotional body, the energy field that dictates your reactions, your magnetism, and your ability to attract or repel experiences. Your mental body, the architect, the invisible force shaping your beliefs, your perception, and what you think is possible. Your spiritual body, the life force, your connection to something greater, the blueprint of your true potential. Most people live in chaos. Their mind wants one thing, their emotions crave another, their body's on autopilot, and their spirit barely awake. It's like trying to drive a car with all four wheels moving in different directions. No wonder you feel stuck. No wonder you can't break free. Think about it. Why do you keep repeating the same patterns no matter how hard you try to change? Why do some people effortlessly manifest success, while others struggle endlessly? Why do you feel like you're fighting invisible forces that drain your energy and keep you stuck? The answer is simple. You've been conditioned to live only in the physical. But the physical is just the tip of the iceberg. Today I'm going to show you the hidden structure of your existence. A structure so powerful that once you understand it, you can reclaim your energy, control your reality, and unlock abilities you never knew you had. This isn't just philosophy. This isn't just spirituality. This is the mechanics of reality itself. But I'll warn you, once you see this, you can't unsee it. You'll realize why most people are asleep, why they're trapped in illusions they don't even know exist, and why the world around you isn't what it seems. Are you ready to wake up? Good. Let's begin. You've been deceived your entire life. You've been told you're just a physical body, flesh, bone, blood, nerves. That's the greatest lie ever told. And because of this lie, you've spent your entire existence operating at 25% capacity. Think about it. Why do thoughts affect your body? Why do emotions manifest as physical illness? Why do spiritual experiences feel more real than reality itself? Because the truth is simple. You are not a singular body. You are four. The physical body, earth, the vessel, the hardware, the machine that moves you through this world. The emotional body, water, the energy field, your subconscious patterns, the silent force shaping your reality. The mental body, air, your thoughts, your beliefs, the invisible architect of your perception. The spiritual body, fire, the life force, your connection to source, the missing key to your true power. These four bodies are always interacting, always influencing each other. And if they're out of sync, your life falls into chaos. Think of yourself like a computer. Your physical body is the hardware. Your emotions are the power source fueling every action. Your thoughts are the software running the programs that shape your reality. Your spirit is the operating system, connecting everything to a higher intelligence. Now imagine you have a brand new laptop, but the battery is drained. Will it work? No. Or what if the software is corrupted, full of viruses? It doesn't matter how powerful the hardware is, it won't function properly. This is what's happening to you. If you only focus on the physical but your emotions are in chaos, if you try to think positive but your subconscious is full of trauma, if you seek spirituality but neglect your physical vessel, you will always feel stuck. Here's the first key: you must learn to feel each of your 4 bodies separately. Because if you don't know where the problem is, you can't fix it. Here's a simple exercise. Sit in silence. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Focus on your physical body. Notice any pain, tension, or discomfort. Shift to your emotions. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Move to your mind. Observe the thoughts running in the background. Finally, sense your spirit. Do you feel connected or lost? What did you notice? Where do you feel heavy? Where do you feel blocked? This is your starting point. Look around you. Everything in nature follows a pattern. The earth orbits the sun. The moon cycles through its phases. The tides rise and fall. But here's what no one told you. These external cycles are not separate from you. They mirror what's happening inside you. The sun isn't just a burning ball of gas in the sky. It's a living symbol of your own soul. The sun gives life to the earth. Without it, nothing grows. Your soul gives life to your body. Without it, your body is just lifeless matter. This is the hidden meaning behind the ancient phrase, as above, so below. Everything you see outside of you is a reflection of what's happening inside of you. Here's how you can recharge your soul using the sun's energy. Go outside at sunrise or sunset. These are the most powerful times for alignment. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Visualize its light entering your body, filling you with pure golden energy. Set an intention. What energy do you want to embody today? Absorb for at least 5 minutes. Let your body, emotions, mind, and spirit synchronize. Do this every morning and you'll start feeling a profound shift. More energy, more clarity, more power over your own life. If you want to take control of your life, you must bring all 4 bodies into alignment. Here's how. Physical check-in. How does your body feel? What does it need? More rest, more movement. Emotional check-in. What emotions are running in the background? Fear, guilt, joy. Mental recalibration. What thoughts are looping in your mind? Are they aligned with what you truly want? Spiritual connection. Do you feel connected to something greater than yourself? Are you living with purpose? Do this daily before making any major decisions, because your strongest body always wins. This is the path of the true alchemist. You don't fear pain, you transmute it. You don't resist emotions, you harness them. You don't suppress thoughts, you reprogram them. You don't neglect your body, you empower it. This is how you take control of your energy. This is how you take control of your life. Here's the truth. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe experiencing itself through you. Quantum physics has already proven this. Reality is not solid. It responds to observation. Matter is not separate. It's connected through energy fields. Time and space are illusions. Your consciousness exists beyond them. This is why spiritual masters, mystics, and ancient texts have always repeated the same truth. The outer world is nothing but a reflection of the inner world. You are not weak. You are not lost. You are not separate. You are the universe in human form. Now you have 2 choices. Ignore this knowledge and go back to the life you had before. Embrace it and start living as the creator you were meant to be. Because now that you know the truth, the only question left is, what will you create?